Right now, the market feels heavy. Confidence is thin, and most people are reacting instead of thinking. Now, Bitcoin just ran a double fake out, and Ethereum is sitting on long-term support. Now, underneath all of this, something much bigger is quietly happening. Now, I'm not rushing anything. I'm watching the exact levels that decide what comes next. This is Bitcoin on Point, where we slow the market down whilst everyone else speeds up. Now, Bitcoin has just trapped both sides of the market. First, we had a bullish fake out above $95,000, and then a bearish fake out below $90,000. Now, price is sitting right in the middle of a key decision zone. And at the same time, there's also a potential trade idea forming on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. It's not confirmed yet, but important enough that I'm watching it closely. Now, this is one of those moments where patience matters more than prediction. In this video, we will break down what this double fake out actually means, the last line of support on Bitcoin, the Bitcoin 4-hour setup I'm watching for a trade, and how I'm handling all of this inside my $10,000 to $100,000 public trading challenge. So stick with me and make sure you're subscribed if you want that real-time market thinking, not hype. Now, a quick context before we go deeper. I am running a $10,000 to $100,000 live trading challenge with no forced entries, no emotional trades. I wait for structure, and everything I do is shared in my free Telegram channel. YouTube is the daily breakdown. Telegram is where the real decisions happen, and the links are in the description. Now, before we go further, please hit that like button. Let's target 20 likes and subscribe. It helps more than you think, and it tells me you want more of these real-time market breakdowns. Now, zooming out for a moment, because something important just happened. Binance founder CZ says he's now in talks with multiple governments about tokenizing their assets. And at the same time, Thailand just approved Bitcoin and crypto ETFs. And then there's this. JP Morgan is officially live on Ethereum. Their real-world asset product, powered by JPM Connexes, is now operational. This isn't theory anymore. This is bank-grade infrastructure being built whilst price is still volatile. And we've seen this before. Adoption expands quietly whilst the market is distracted by fear. Now, let's go back to the Bitcoin daily, because this is the main decision chart. Bitcoin has printed a double fake out, a bullish fake out above 95K and a bearish fake out below the 87 to 90K zone. Right now, the last line of support is sitting around $87,000 to $87,500. If this level breaks and fails to recover, price can indeed go lower. But if it holds and reclaims the structure and starts building back above this zone, historically, this is exactly how markets reset before a strong continuation. And we're looking towards that $107,000 target, but nothing is confirmed yet. This is a decision point, not a forecast. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin on the 4-hour, because this is where a possible trade idea is actually forming, and price is currently sitting around $90,000, which is a very important level. If I want to engage long, I need to see the real strength here. Ideally, a strong breakout above 92K, acceptance above that level, and then a controlled pullback towards $90,000, followed by a continuation. That's what a valid setup looks like. If instead 90K fails, and price closes below the recent lows of 88K, then this idea is invalid. I'm not forcing anything. I will only act if the structure confirms. Now, a quick update on our trading challenge. We've taken 2 trades so far, one on TON and one on Bitcoin. Now, both of them were winners, and the account is currently up 2.86%. That's roughly $286 in profit. There's no overtrading, no revenge setups, and I execute all of these trades on the week's exchange. I track everything transparently using Profits Precision. All trade updates, entries, and exits are shared live in my Telegram, and all of the links are in the description. Now, shifting over to Ethereum. ETH has broke out of its supporting trend line with one clean candle, which tells you that bearish momentum showed up fast. But right now, Ethereum is sitting on a major long-term support around the $3,000 level, and this level has held historically. So the question isn't direction yet, it's reaction for Ethereum. And on the 4-hour chart for ETH, we're still sitting inside demand. Now, what I want to see is consistent bullish candles with no sharp rejection and structure actually holding on some pullbacks. Now, if this happens, ETH then becomes interesting. If not, I wait. Again, nothing is confirmed yet. So my final market thoughts, and stepping back a little, Bitcoin is sitting at a critical decision zone after a rare double fake out. A potential BTC 4-hour trade is forming, but still needs the confirmation, and Ethereum is testing long-term support whilst macro adoption accelerates quickly. So fear is loud, patience is rare, and this is exactly where disciplined traders slow down. I'm watching, I'm waiting, and I'll only act if the market confirms. If you want to follow this in real time, Weeks is for the execution, Profits Precision is for the tracking, and the free Telegram is for live updates. All links are in the description. Let's let the market come to us. Until next time, all of the best.